Alright guys, hope you can hear me over the fan. This is one reason why you don't put an AC unit or heat pump unit right over a drip edge. Okay? Because when it's cold out, we're starting to get really cold out, it starts dripping and it freezes in that fan because she creates cold air. When she's in the heat mode, she's blowing cold, and that dripping, as I hope you can see it, that dripping is right on the unit, and it's making enough icicles there where the fan is hitting. It's not frozen, I'll show you that. It's not frozen. She's gonna be frozen when that fan stops, but that's why you don't put it right over a drip edge. They don't recommend you always put it on the drip edge, but that's one good reason why you don't put it on the drip edge. Something like this can happen. So anyway, again, Harvey from All Parts with a very noisy AC unit. And she's not frozen yet, but that fan will stop. So, anyway, we're out walking with my pup. So, yeah, baby. Is he frozen up? Nope, just not frozen up yet.